Here's a speeded up video of me making the marquee letter D using the materials of 1/2 inch light MDF and 1/4 inch bendable plywood. The overall dimension of my letter is going to be 18 inches by 18 inches. I start off by dividing that 18-inch square into 16 equal parts. I did this to better segment each portion of my letter. With each part measuring 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. Part of my finish, I'm going to add pennies covered by a 2-part epoxy. Here I'm just spacing out everything to make sure I maximize my pennies to my area so I don't have too large of an empty gap without pennies. So here's the basic D using my MDF, and now for the edges I'm going to add glue and I'm going to attach to the edges using flexible plywood. I made it 1.5 inches width, and I'm just going to fasten it to the MDF to add some depth to the letter, and also use that as a mounting point for my LED light. I let that sit overnight, and the next day I came back in, removed my clamps, and started to work on the inner banding to the D. Here's a good trick. Instead of using wood putty to fill in the cracks, which cost a little more, get some spackling. Use that. And off camera, I came back and sanded everything down and sprayed everything with 2 color spray paint, black and gold. Now it's time for the pennies. Here's a quick clean using vinegar and salt solution. Making sure my surface is level before pouring my 2-part epoxy. I had to re-level after I realized I needed to put a drop cloth underneath this project. Make sure that the drop cloth would catch it rather than going